Alright guys, welcome back. I am going to show you this electric guitar case. This is the ZeHuoGe case coming from China. It's spelled ZeHuoGe, and this is for electric guitars in case you're in the market for one. At the time of this recording, this case is $45, but they charge shipping, and the shipping is $30. So you're looking about 75 bucks. I'm finally able to share links to you guys, so check them out in the description. I wouldn't recommend it if I wasn't using it myself, keeping it. I've got no problems with it. Never had a case, so I'm super excited. Here's a shot of the corners. They've got some strips for all the corners and some metal bracing. This is probably like PVC. I'll check the listing. And it is wood. Pretty standard. You've got 3 latches. The 1 key. You've got a handle that is offset from the center. And you have feet on the flat bottom of the case. And you have 4 feet on the hinge side. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Got 3 hinges on the hinge side. 1, 2, 3. Here's a shot of those. It's got a nice handle. Here's what the latch sounds like. You can find all the dimensions on their listing, and I can confirm that they are accurate. What I'm rocking right now is this Harmony Strat style electric. Fits perfectly. My strap buttons are removed, but it would totally, doesn't matter. You can have strap buttons. But here's my finger. It has a pretty standard synthetic felt type material. And then it has foam right here. And around the sides of the body, it's got foam, padding up here. This is solid. This has a felt on top, and then it goes right to wood. You can hear it. And same with right here. It has this main strip of foam here that presses down on the guitar. Here's the neck padding. And the neck cup. One of the benefits of a hard case, you can store other stuff in there. Like I have an audio interface, and you saw I had a pedal. Fit a lot of stuff in the main portions. So now here's the pocket. You've got a flap to pull up on. You can fit a lot in here. So I've got cables, shaker, harmonica, more cables, power supplies, slide, whammy bar, patch cables, splitter, with plenty of room for other random stuff, picks, capos. Here's a shot of the hinge. You know, it gets the job done. You know what you're looking at. This isn't some $400 case. For what it is and the price point, I'm super happy. I am definitely keeping it, and I would definitely get another one. 75 bucks, 10 out of 10. Can fit a pedal right there, right in the scoop. Here. Got all this stuff here, all that space. I'll show you closing it. You know, here's tapping on it. Nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna do 2 other cases, one for bass and one for acoustics. So check those out. Again, links down below. It'll take you to this exact case for you to look at. All right, see ya.